Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we'll be going over how I made 5.5k on the day. If we scroll down here, right here, 5.4k, 5.5k in 7 minutes pretty much. But yeah, let's get right into the trade recap. So if we start off with the executions, you can see right here, executions that I took. Boom, this long back to, I think it was London high that I took. Yeah, I think it was, I'm pretty sure it was London high. But yeah, this is a trade I took on my top step and alpha. So 4.5k on this and 1k on my alpha. Yeah, let's get right into it. So what was my bias going into the day? Going into the day, I was a bit confused because on the 4 hour, we were respecting this massive bullish. What the hell? On the 4 hour, we're respecting this massive, massive bullish gap right here. So I was like, okay, we can be bullish, but I'm not going to be, set on a set bias. If we get rid of this, we were also inside these, these gaps at the time. This is, I don't know why this is showing like this, but we were actually inside these gaps at the time. If you look here, these two gaps. But then what happened? The hourly candle closes above this gap with very, very strong displacement. If we don't add the 15-minute time frame right now and the 5-minute, if you have a look, market opens in a couple of minutes, and boom, market opens. There was, no, it's not a potential trade. We just go down lower, and we start pumping up higher, higher, higher. On ES, there was a potential trade long, and it was a lot cleaner compared to NQ. So if we actually go to, actually no, I can't. If we go to ES, yeah, I don't want to because it's gonna screw up the replay thing. But if we go to ES was a lot cleaner than NQ, and it was more bullish towards actually the start of the session. And then you could have targeted these highs as the draw in liquidity. That was a potential trade to take, very, very good potential trade to take. But I didn't capitalize. I actually didn't get to because, I was on call live trading and I was just talking to some members, and I actually missed that trade, which is completely fine. But then we have this trade right here. What happened? The hourly candle closes above this gap. I was like, okay, that's indication that price wants to go higher. My draw on liquidity was already these highs right here. We have this high right here, and then we have this high right here as well. Those are my 3 draws on liquidity on the day. Price, displaces through all these gaps. 15-minute closes very, very strong. Go to the 5-minute. 5-minute, closes very nicely as well. Strong displacement. Didn't get this original entry on ES, but on NQ, I'm still looking for trades. And if we go down, let's see what happens. I think we tap into this 5-minute gap, and then I think we do get some nice displacement out of it. Not yet, not yet. I think I entered here. No, I entered just before that. I think I entered there, put my stops here, and I targeted this high right here. Clear continuation trade. We have a nice 5-minute, retracement. As you can see right here, strong displacement out of it, targeting where my draws on liquidity. There's nothing really stopping us from going there. Go to the 1 hour. Nothing really. We've already inverted this gap, indicating that price wants to go higher. 50 minutes bullish. The 5 minutes pretty bullish as well. Clear longs. I was very, very confident on these longs today. So I banged, and let's play this out. Let's see quickly. And boom. There you go. Bang. Oh wait, I actually didn't take it here. I took it here. There you go. That's better. And I think I have my stop here. Yeah, I think this was the trade I took. This was more of the realistic trade that I took, something like this. Yeah, because even though we got this, we didn't see continuation, so we came down, respected this 1-minute gap right here. Boom. And then I entered after, I think, on this candle close, because we got a nice, CIST closer as well, which is pretty nice. Even both trades would have been A+. Like, you taking it off here or here, it's pretty much the same entry. But this is the trade that I took, and I hit TP in 7 minutes, which is pretty nice. But yeah, that's the trade I took today. Banked. I had some students live trading with me as well. I'm gonna start doing live trading a bit more and start to get used to it. You guys might be wondering, why I have only 150k, then I only have an alpha account. My main goal is, trying to get max payouts on them. Get 5k payout on top step with 150k, and then because there's no consistency rule, so I can risk a lot heavier. And on alpha, I'm trying to get my 3k USD payout as well. So once I do that, I have 8k in total, and then I'm gonna start scaling heavy. For now, I'm fully process focused. I'm just trying to focus on the process of, taking good trades, not, FOMOing into trades, staying patient, staying focused. Because if I can't stay patient, stay focused on a 150k on 2 accounts, what's going to make me stay focused, process focused on like 5 to 10 accounts? That's the thing. So this whole account thing I'm doing right now is for mainly, building my psychology up, making sure I'm only taking A+ setups, because it takes 7 winning days. No, 7 days in total to pass the account, and then get 5 winning days on top step to, actually get a payout. 7 days. So if those 7 winning days, I'm very consistent, only taking A plus setups, that's confidence for me as well. I have, scaled up before. I had like 8 accounts at one point, but I want to take it slow. I want to, make sure I'm fully ready. That's why, I'm slowly scaling up, getting this massive good payout on these. Then I'm going to start scaling up heavy. But that's my game plan for now, trying to build up my like psychology tolerance, being able to risk more. I'm going to start to risk more on my 150Ks as well once it's passed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys do want to learn to trade, you can join my one-on-one mentorship. I do have that. You can message me on Instagram for more information if you guys are interested. Oh my god, I look cooked. For context, guys, I just woke up. It's 11:13 a.m. in Australia. But yeah, if you guys do want to learn to trade like me, learn the flow continuation model, just message me on Instagram and we'll get you guys started. But yeah, that's a trade I took. 5.5k on the day. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a good day.